Yeah. I have seen that in the story that what the eyes will not tell lie and actually this is what I'm telling you. Kind of a mandabutti only aspiring to be the prime minister. Common sense. Where an architect. See, everybody orange immediately after doing miles everything is you after everybody. And none of these culture of party multi four born bastards have encouraged to talk to me at least to actually it's a shame that I'm talking to this kind of culture of that's out of my this frustration, these all things kind of culture of party straight corge let one chapter catcher up until how many times telling us a month with the chat of fraud. It's a shame that he kind of fellows are aspiring to get a role in the culture of party not even having eligibility to talk to courage or confidence or minimum decency or manners for talking to a girl. That kind of particularly Charakan rail breaking and that what all she's creating under see who have asked to give all the properties to these Muslims and it's not the way to please the people and like the not even having common sense and fraud. Everybody power. Actually, see, I told that my star and my I don't need to explain to you. It's just a shame. It's just a disaster that I'm telling you. That's you need to understand that. And my brother-in-law, I got a further of that bastard. Anyway, he's not this kind of person, but still the way he used to play. That Mula Nashar, my father also went into the thing and all the things. So there is no point in telling it. So I am trying to say it's for the nation. If somebody is doing it, okay, any chucking party. So the same way. Rowdy prostitute kunta and give you matana. It's a shame that I hate it. Comedy, how desperately the Ludos, the great Ludos are eager to orange and a party. Naikal in the thunder. These are things the money, public's money in the Manta with the Paranari. Shame that is everybody said Chalmangushi the culture, Combigasoni, culture, eating more public's money and without doing any work, culture of patel. Go on to do work in farm and go. And you're the also enjoying the all the privileges. She knows only the prostitution. That's the thing. And without any shame, how many times explaining also. Everybody need power and this is the thing. How much effort time taking to send mails and the libraries are like and dialogues and to empower you kind of culture of parties. And that's what I'm getting frustrated that again had to convince the kind of fellas and convince her. It's a shame actually. And I can eat and what kind of I know that what kind of shows you will be do and the caliber and you do not know who am I. That is a thing and this is not trying to convince. It's a headache actually. Convince again to dumps. Then you so no horror somebody cannot culture a party in the sky. So getting somebody is giving some consideration. Oh, you are the superstar. That is what these fellas are utilizing that. And a person should have the balance and stability and it should not get it. See, I am shouting and all that is required the thing because I got that much fed up with in place of me. You kind of doubles are murdered these this kind of culture of Asians. It's a shame that I had to fight for this kind of frauds. The man should have some minimum common sense and understanding. If not, there is not somebody telling. So then everything will origin. So everything, what are the things everywhere will get in a gun like a street or will suck on the party. Then will so house this is the way you went to you kills na party no favorite Tony a party way prostitute. I was running and how much effort I'm putting to take him. Send a mailer. See, look at my room until I'm not even cleaning. I'm not having any. I will come late night. So I'm coming and arranging and going meeting and everything until I'm not even getting up and I'm not even eating anything and I'm going. Parties ചുട്ടിരിക്കണം. ഇനിയൊക്കെയുള്ള നെവർ യു കൈൻഡ് ഓഫ് ഡബിൾസ് വിൽ കം ആൻഡ് വിൽ ഫോം ഗവൺമെൻറ് ബട്ട് നോട്ടത്ത് നിന്നെ തൊന്തയ്ക്ക് പറക്കാത്ത ചികണ്ടീസ് അല്ല. ഓക്കെ, I am not blindly against anybody. I am standing for the justice. That's the thing. And I am not fighting, appreciating cultural parties also. And don't know what? Entertain your poisoning these all effects, okay? Or the commission also Gundaism and tell, that is not going to work out. And so immediately how the stage immediately going at playing with the money to dismantle like Bangladesh. See, if this much I have explained, and if I at least a minimum 1% quality that a man will sit and will discuss, and so if you have to this much price convince them the great world leaders, so then why do they need power parties? And I will പാട്ടിക്കാൽ മങ്കുറിച്ചക്കാരെന്നറിയാല വിളിച്ചേറ്റ സ്ട്രീറ്റ് ഡോഗ്സ് എനിക്ക് നിൽക്കുന്ന പാട്ടികൾ എനിക്ക് മന്ദബുദ്ധീസ്. Also, this Kamala Harris, what are the things? She's not going to win. And this kind of prostitutions and not the Obama and Obama 84 million these fellows are arranged. That's what Obama is working. Otherwise, who are these fellows? And some of limited this kind of fellows are not the things to lead the world. Okay, it's not that time is over. Also, this free speech, these all fellows are how the way these fellows are spying me, that I can understand. That's the way they are spying each and everybody across the world. And these kind of prostitutes, this and all genetic disorder. Yeah, I am telling everything. I'm creating awareness. There should be a right way to do the things, and not like that background again creating frauds, crimes like this. Not even anybody, not even a single person have the right to tell the truth, or in try talk straight or everybody private powers. Why shut the power charapatis?